TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour and the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. It's my pleasure to give you the Tiger Financial News Network noontime update. Dow's up 400 points at 26,478. The reason why I said last week was so important is because we've got these patterns that said if there was weakness going into Friday's close, you'd get an arch formation. If there was strength, there's a chance you could break above the arch high, and that really becomes very important. Not only that, if the MACD, remember I was talking about the MACD being negative, if the MACD crosses positive, which is just done today, then all of a sudden this breakout in the Dow becomes really important. So over the weekend, as I realized that the S&P had in fact gone to a leg D, let's see, on Friday, it just snuck above that peak C, and that said that you could get the H pattern going to a cup formation and testing the 33.33 high. What's the high today? We're up 41 at 32.26. We hit 32.31.82 earlier on. There's a chance we could retest that high. And that's going to be very important because it'll make leg D finally in the weekly chart. So the QQQ, which had led the way, is up 5.23 at 269.18, was a little weak at the very beginning of the day on Friday, and then just kept climbing and climbing and climbing. And today it is up at an all-time high in leg E with a huge gap to the upside, and a leg C in the weekly chart, still waiting for that D. So this is all really good action. IWM is a Russell 2000. It is $29. Stuck in that H going to an M pattern. It's just stuck in that range like a rectangle. So each one of these is slowly but surely trying to push higher. You've got the NDX all-time high. S&P is getting closer. It's not there yet. It's got a long way to go. Dow has a much further way to go, and the IWM is lagging. Look at gold. Gold right now is, is up 9.9 at 1811. It's in this range, in the upper range, at a peak D. Peak D is where you can see a bit of a rest. We're kind of getting that bit of a rest. Silver soared much higher. I'll talk about gold. I'll talk about silver. I'll talk about bonds. Talk about crude oil and the market as soon as we return from my Tiger Technicians Hour. Hope you can stay. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.